Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can create transcendent stones in fish eggs. So these stones are essential for boosting your road stats and catching those impossible secret type fish. And as you guys can see that you need to also finish creating 3 transcendent stones to finish the element quest. So I haven't done it yet, so let me show you how you can done it. First, you need to head into the ancient jungle and to where the secret temple is, but don't go inside here, because here you need to go up. It's actually stairs in here, so you need to just go up to the top of the secret temple until you found this altar right here. So you can just talk to the temple guardian to know how you can create the stones. Here you can adjust Transcended Stones, so it allows you to apply a second road enchant. So how to use this altar: you need to sacrifice a secret fish for 1 transcendent stone. So you can just hold your secret fish in here, for example this one, this king jelly, and then you can just put on the altar to get the transcendent stones. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.